So hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to implement Minimax or Minmax, however you can call it, algorithm. So currently I have a question. So implement Minmax algorithm for the numbers in the order. Now I have 8 numbers with the root node as max. So okay, so you can get this algorithm question in any form. Sometimes it can be directly given 8 numbers in the form of a tree, or you can get this in this manner also. So you must know to consider either the way how they give the question. So now let's get started. So currently I have 8 numbers, as you can see 12, 10, 6, 5, 4, 8, 11 and 14. So if there are 8 numbers, it means that there are 3 levels. Okay, so it's actually in the power 2 power and 2 to the power number of levels, so 8. So there are actually 3 levels, and the last level will be the leaf nodes. Okay, that is the numbers. Okay, so now let me consider the tree. So first a circle, 1, 2, and have another two more, one over here and another one over here. Okay, that looks fine. And the last, oh, as I told you, we have now 3 levels, or you can call from ground level 0. I don't know, some many places they start with the root node as level 0. In some places they call root node as level 1. So however, either the way, we are going to have 3 levels. So we have 3 levels, 3 nodes. Okay, and the final leaf node will be the numbers. So now let's just connect them. Okay. So now let's just, so 2 from here, so that will 2 from each one, that will add up to 8. Okay, so I'm assuming, so if they have given 8 numbers, it means that it's a complete tree. Complete tree means that each node will have 2 nodes at least. So that's why I assumed it as a complete tree, so that's why I've considered 3 levels. Okay, so that's pretty much fine. So now, so it's also given that the root node is a max node. Okay, so this root node is going to be pen tool. Okay, yeah, this root node is going to be a max node. Okay, so we know after max it's going to be min. So this one is going to be min, and this one is going to be max again. And it's also given the numbers are in the order 12. So just put 12, 10 over here, 6, 5, 4, 8, 11 and 14. Okay, usually they will give you a diagram directly in this manner. So yeah, so just I thought of constructing it from the beginning, so that's good. So it's, I think, most one of the simplest algorithms in artificial intelligence. So pretty much it's self-explanatory. Anyway, I will do it. So first, maximum of these two values. So 12 and 10, if you consider the max is 12. So just write, put 12 over here. And 6 and 5, the maximum is 6. So 6 over here. 4 and 8, max is 8, 8. 11 and 14, the maximum value is 14. So we have got all our max values from our leaf node. So it gets reduced to half. So whenever it passes to each level, the number of values get half. So it's 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. This can be asked in some MCQs. Okay, so next thing is the min. So min also same thing, 6 is the minimum and 8 is the minimum, and next is the max, and you will get 8 as our final value. So that's the min max algorithm basically. Suppose, yeah, this question can be asked in many marks, for 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks. So for 2 and 3 marks, this is basically just enough. You can just draw this diagram and plot min max like that and get the value, final value is max like that. And in case of 5 marks, you need to represent that minus infinity infinity for max minimum, and cut off that infinity and put that minimum and maximum like that. Some few steps are that isn't necessary anyway, but in case if you want, if you are supposed to write that, you need to write that minus infinity and infinity. That's also pretty simple case. So that's it with max algorithm. And mine is a programming channel. Also check out other videos of my channel. I don't many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Unity, Blender, etc. So that's it. Subscribe and support. Thank you.